it is the 21st of April of 2016. Robert Shimore speaking on behalf of the Institute of St. Michael the Archangel. I have Ms. Lightfoot. These documents, what I have encountered here over the years is generally parrying, rebuffing, deflecting the person in your position, other than Mr. Foreman, when he's conducted activity in that position, which has been exemplary, generally from your predecessors, and so thus far, it's just a series of rebuffs, parries, and deflections, and eventually the 120 seconds is just gone, and then it's on to the next meeting. But you claimed last meeting that you never received a copy of this document, which you had instructed me in the February meeting to present that to the Sergeant at Arms. So have you yet received a copy of this document from the Sergeant at Arms?
I don't think so.
Okay. Can I hand this to the Sergeant at Arms and now get you to answer the questions that are listed on this document, which you didn't answer in March because you claimed I have you in February telling me to deliver it to the Sergeant at Arms. Can he then transmit this to you so you can answer these questions, or at least answer them at the next meeting and not claim that you never received the document?
So I'm happy to take receipt of the document.
Okay.
I'm looking at it.
Pardon?
I'm looking at it. It looks like it's single-spaced, double-sided. I'd like to have an opportunity to review it.
Okay, I'll grant you that, just so this doesn't go on till September or October. The next meeting we'll get answers then, right?
I will review the document.
Okay, thank you. So I'm going to give it to the Sergeant at Arms. Thank you. It's whatever's got in the back is a note I had to improvise. Mr. Superintendent, I have a question. I'm not exactly sure what the parameters are if you're a permanent superintendent or temporary superintendent, because it's really confusing to a layperson, and I'm not. But whatever the situation is, my question for you is this: before we get into other issues, I've had numerous superintendents going back to Phil Klein in the time I've coming to these meetings.
Mr. Martin, time is running out.
Pardon?
Your time is running out.
Okay, if you receive an order to confiscate firearms and or any other of the types of orders listed in the Oath Keeper's website as being of the types of orders an Oath Keeper will not obey, A, will you participate in the enforcement whereof, and 2, will you order subordinates to enforce any such type orders, or will you refuse to comply with any such type orders and order your subordinates to do likewise? How much time do I have left?
Your time is up.
My time is up. I'll ask that. That's the question I seek an answer to at the next meeting. Thank you.
All the people who have signed up previously to speak, I can call upon the motion